What's up, YouTube? Man, it's been a minute since I've posted any content or a video or anything. So today is an awesome day. So far, actually an amazing month. We've had 18 closings. And man, we just started several different companies, from virtual assistants to a disposition company. We're doing nationwide deals now. I just got done closing a $1.1 million portfolio deal. And it's been phenomenal, man. It's been phenomenal. I'm super grateful. So today is also, I think I'm about like 230 days sober since I've actually drinking alcohol. And then the other thing is it's been about 90 days since I've been on a fitness journey. So I don't know if y'all can tell my jawline. You can actually see my jawline, and I'm just really grateful about it, man. So there's so many things that I gotta announce because I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in a minute. But it's badass, man. I'm super grateful. I feel like God has never been more present in my life, and I'm just really excited to announce these things because it's been a huge change. I told myself I wasn't gonna make a YouTube video until I had a gradually insane change, and not just my mindset but my body too, you know. And so it's just been crazy. I've spent 66 days going to the gym. I'm weight training right now, and my goal is to compete in a strongman competition in 1 year and 8 months from today. So hold me accountable to that. You're gonna see me on stage with like a freaking 8-pack, and I'm just gonna be totally jacked. And I'm doing this all naturally. So I wanted to talk to you guys because I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded a video, and I got tons of content that's going to be dropping. I've just been really focused on building out the companies that I have, and been focused on where I'm coming, where I'm going. You know what I mean? So yeah, today I wanted to announce this nationwide to everybody on my YouTube channel that I'm starting the 75 Hard Challenge. This is a challenge that was created by Andy Frisella with the Real as Fuck podcast. And, you know, the message, everything the guy's been doing, it's just phenomenal, man. And I'm a huge fan. So my goal is to get that certificate in 75 days. And I'm going to be documenting my entire journey. Right now, I'm doing my 45-minute workout outside, which for the time being, I'm going to walk around my whole office. And I'm going to do some push-ups and sit-ups before I run inside. So I'm gonna do all of this while running 10 companies. I got a virtual assistant company right now. We got 60 employees. I got my wholesaling company right now. Currently, we're at about 17 employees. I got my data company, 4 employees. And just so many different adventures that I'm involved with. But I feel like a lot of people in this industry, they make fucking excuses and they sacrifice everything, even their health, to try to get their business off of the ground. And I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, it's gotta be the worst thing that you can do is sacrifice your health to get a business off of the ground. Believe me, I did it. You know, for over the last, I'll say like 5 to 6 years, I've been focusing fully on entrepreneurship and business. And I let myself go like heavily. I was about, at the beginning of this journey, I was 312 pounds exactly. And right now where I'm at, just to give you guys an update, right now where I'm at 270 pounds. And it's a blessing. I've been running every single day. I've been lifting weights every single day. I'm bodybuilding. And it's not something that I haven't done before. This is actually my second time around. It's just, it's a crazy experience, you know, to really think about this stuff and put it into perspective. Because it challenges you. It challenges the way that you think. It challenges your mind. And in the gym, it's literally you against you. You get what I'm saying? So I wanted to make this video today to kind of help you guys out with what it is that y'all have going on. And in your life, and what's stopping you from having the life of your dreams. Because, man, I'm telling you guys right now, procrastination is a fucking deal killer. It's a deal killer. And I'm talking like in health and wealth and fitness and family and finances. in every single part. You know what I'm saying? So you got to be able to think about these things. You got to say, you know what? Today's the day that I'm going to fucking commit. I'm going to commit and I'm going to do what I got to do to live the type of life that I want to live and be the type of healthy individual that I want to be. And I'm going to do this shit for the people that I love. That's your driving force. And so people don't know how to do these things. I'm going to be honest with you. I cannot tell you how many people have sat in on any session that I've ever done, whether it was a video for YouTube, people that have joined my office and left, a million reasons why that people procrastinate. It starts with being able to manage micro commitments. So if you're watching this right now, what the hell is a micro commitment? A micro commitment is a decision that you make before you've made the act of doing the thing that doesn't benefit you. What does this even mean? I'll go ahead and I'll give y'all a summary real quick so that way we can be on the same page. What does this even mean? A micro commitment is the decision that you make right at the beginning. Typically, your first micro commitment is the decision that you made in your mind. So let's say, for example, that I'm just gonna go somewhere and eat unhealthy food, right? Something that doesn't benefit my body. A micro commitment is pretty straightforward. You've already committed to it in your head that this is exactly what you're going to do. That's the first commitment that's made. The second one, just to give y'all an even further example, you go to your car. You've already made the commitment to walk to your vehicle. You hop in your vehicle. Third commitment to make the bad decision that you're trying to make, that you're about to make. Third commitment, what is that? You turn on the ignition. You start your vehicle. You start heading to where it is that you think that you're gonna go to eat this food that doesn't benefit you. Fourth commitment, what is that? You pay for the food that doesn't benefit you. Fifth commitment, you eat the food that doesn't benefit you. What happens there? You literally committed to it 5 times over before you actually did what you knew that you weren't supposed to fucking do. And that's what throws people off track. So for all you guys that are wanting a change in your life, that are going into a fitness journey, or you're going into entrepreneurship or business, if you want to become successful, it starts with controlling your micro commitments, okay? So what decision are you gonna make after watching this video to really commit and to really make shit happen for yourself? Become more aware, all right, guys? So I'm gonna be documenting this journey. This is my 45-minute workout outside. Today's day 1 for 75 hard. It's day 230 for soberness. It's day 66 in the gym. I'm fucking ready. Let's get it. See y'all later.